And we're on the old railroad, Hoover Dam Railroad. This is the lovely end in Hoover. We're coming up on the first tunnel. Alright, we're down here on the Hoover Dam Railroad causeway thing. Goes to the tunnels. This is how they brought all that material out to build the Hoover Dam from Boulder, Nevada. This is the first on the way to the dam. We're not going to make it because it's just too far away, but this is the first of several railroad tunnels. Inside the tunnel, it's got this really cool rock face. Back out the other side. This big old cabin cruiser down here on Lake Mead. It's just got some music pounding. That's a big old like 6-pack skipjack or whatever. This is as far as we're going on the railroad trail. Not crossing underneath those wires. Need to go back, make some food, go back early, go sleep. Really get up at 5 and go paddling tomorrow down the Colorado River all the way 12 miles to Willow Beach.
Even looking at it, it's hard to really conceptualize how big it really is. That is, I know, I don't want my phone on me.
We'll get down there on the water, you'll get a picture.
Yeah,
you can get the long
Those are so cool.
yeah. Wow, look at that.
Got a bunch of gnats following me, but I am on the river. Just left the dam. Pickout point. And I am on my way down the river. That's looking back up at the dam. Good to go. Passing some infrastructure here. Looks like it was like something to lower things. And as I continue down Black Canyon, the Colorado River. I'm still in a little bit of a current. Group is still trying to get in the water. Oh, this is gonna be good. These are cormorants. Just like the cormorants, there's a nest up there. On an old walkway. These are the same birds they use for fishing in China. They got the funniest sounds. And cool little caves. I don't know if they're hot springs, but there's the coolest little grotto. So this is a hot spring right here. There's one over there. Oh, the water's like a bathtub in here. And it's like right here, it's nice and warm. Oh, the water coming out of there is hot. It like creates a little microclimate. Oh, the water's like cold and hot, like in 20 little patches you put your hand in the water. Amazing. Just amazing. Another grotto. I can hear a hot spring or something nearby. Yeah, this is so cool. I must be a hot spring too, because I think there's more lift here. Water's freezing right here. I don't see any steam. It could be just a regular freshwater, cold stream. Oh my gosh, this is so peaceful. And that's where I'm going, down river. You can still see, nope, the bridge is out of view from this side. Probably from that side you can still see it. I don't know where the Sonic Cave is. I might have passed it by now. As I make my way through Black Canyon waters, the sun's starting to peek through, but the wind is coming. With the sun comes the wind. And look how beautiful the water is here. Not too deep. The journey continues. And we got a killer echo. Hello! What eine? This is a massive echo. Hello! I'm all alone. I'm walking up to Boy Scout hot springs. Not too hot. I guess this one's really hard to get to. And you'll never run into anyone in here. We'll go to that next step back. Move to this one only on the water. Oh, how does it here? Just mildly hot. Oh, this is tricky. It's all dripping out of the rock. Take like a hot shower. I'll go up there's one more bend here, and then conclude this. Not really any more flow. It's mostly right into here out of this rock. So trippy. Oh, it's all like a. Oh, look at this little geyser. Steven. I think that's really hot. Let's walk through a spider web. Not too hot. Boy, it's holding it back. Here's another addition to my grotto collection. Almost looks like a inverted skull, an inside-out skull. Another beautiful canyon. Amazing. Look at those guys. Acorn shape. Hello. Oh, he just ran into it. Oh my god. Oh my god. You get him. You get him. Fucking ramming each other's heads. Oh, this is so cool. Can't believe I got that. They're so steep where they're at that they're setting all kinds of gravel loose and it's falling down. That's what you can hear. It doesn't look that steep, but it's steep where they're at. That's over probably about 45, 50 degrees. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. Wish they'd ram each other again. This little island with a tree going through the slot. It'd be so much more peaceful without the helicopters. Some people. The water here is so calm. Here the mountains end and the sky begins. I'm looking for a sea cave on the map. It said 60 and a half. I think those voices are probably in the sea cave. I don't know. And I'm clear. Oh, good. Let's see what lies in store. Here we are at Weeping Springs Cove. I don't believe it's hot springs. Water's super cold. This is called Weeping Springs Cove. As you can see, it is a little cove. I'm starting to use the map a little bit more and understand where I'm at. I'm about 1/3 of the way into the trip. Trying to get back out on the river and on down to Willow Beach. So I am definitely more than halfway. We're looking back up at Dragon's Back. It's called High on the Canyon Wall. Is a prominent dark ledge, a classic example of a gravity fault. I'm sorry, High on the Canyon Wall is a prominent dark ledge. Geologists call it a volcanic dike. Locals call it Dragon's Back. That is a volcanic dike. So I think it's because there was a fissure and then you had volcanic material running up through there and prevents anything else from, making its way to the surface or whatever. I'm not sure exactly. And then next we'll have Crane's Nest Canyon, camping, hiking, exploring. It's going to be all on the left-hand side now as we move into the 56-mile zone on the river. That's going to be on the left over here, that vegetation. And, all right, we're getting there. 11 o'clock. I'm more than halfway. I just finished lunch. I'm at this nice little campsite. Actually, it's got multiple campsites. I don't know where back there. I keep the shades. Little memorial to some British soldier, special forces or something like that. Royal Air Force. A RAF officer. Must have been memorialized by some sort of trip out here. Anyway, I got multiple campsites. Looking up the river, that volcanic dike up there, Dragon's Back. And looking down the river now. Probably only have about 4 or 5 miles left out of 12. So I'm on my way. Well, I'm at the gauging station. And I'm with lots of people. I'm getting close to Willow Beach, probably an hour away now. And down there, I'll have to show you the next clip. Down there are all those people waiting to get into Emerald Cave. It's a line to get into Emerald Cave. Not gonna wait. I'm going to Willow Beach. Get off this boat.